Live and direct Vast Range 256 gwe mukutu kwoli amanya bampita kali Lugambo Promax Simple MC. Salongo Erias Lukwago yaliko mulodi w'ekibuga Kampala bwe yaleeteddwa Mukkooti bassebo ne bannyabo eggwanga bannayuganda okuva ebule n'ebweya amaanyi gabawedde. Salongo Erias Lukwago ng'ayongera okusaba okuba ng'ateebwa kakalu k'ekkooti asobole okuba obaoliawo ng'afuna obujjanjabi ekyamumiddwa n'addizibwayo mu kkomera e Luzira. Njagala nkulaga Salongo Erias Lukwago we yabadde afaanana era n'embeera gye yabaddemu ng'aleeteddwa mu kkooti. Oli ku Vast Range, endeavor to subscribe, tap the notification bell and share the video to as many people as you can. Katukomeo after this.
You don't know the nature of this problem. You can just drop dead. I've always given the example of medical boy who was driving on the road and all of a sudden he died on the scene. So, I want to conclude this worship. Another danger I am facing. That where I am residing, and I appreciate it is the best they can offer for me. Because according to Professor Olubia, the criminologist, the environment in Boma, what we call Boma, is not conducive for my situation. With that post-COVID complex, they are not well ventilated. So the place which is somehow has some ventilation is the hospital. But this is the national referral hospital for all the prisons in the country. Day in, day out, ambulances come in, bringing patients from all over the country. From Karamoja, from Western Nile, from Western Uganda, from wherever. They are brought in with those complications, especially TB. This is the problem. And my bed is just next to a counter where the sputum, it's called the sputum, that specimen. What is it called? Yeah. It's sputum. That's where they collect the samples from. If all those who come, please, we need the sputum, we need the sputum, we need the sputum. So sputum, okay. The samples are being collected just from next to my bed. So now I have also decided regularly, every week now I'm testing for TB. I'm glad the results that came out yesterday were negative. So again, in the course of 1 week, I will again test for TB. I'll be testing for TB. Because I was advised to use a mask. I do worship every time I put on a mask. I move in one, I have it here. But every time I don't breathe. I have lung problems. So I wanted to emphasize those issues so that you worship, you make the order made, the prayer made by my council, that if God wishes to see me here again as a person who can stand trial, the recommendation made by the experts now to be implemented, that they should be taken to India by the government, in whose control I am, in whose custody right now. Thank you.
A brief response. I must comment that the procedure adopted by Council after the committed proceedings is alien in this court, because at this time, the court has committed the accused person to High Court. And therefore, this court lacks jurisdiction to entertain any application and make any subsequent orders. We are well aware, Your Honor, that The letter is already on the court record. And we submit that your only role right now, Your Honor, is transferring the file to High Court, and any other applications, prayers, and orders can be made there. We pray that court is not misguided, as it's already clear that it lacks jurisdiction to have the accuser tried. We so submit.
Your Worship, that the procedure is alien. What distinguishes us as professionals, including you, Your Worship, is how we apply the law to the facts by using our brains to think. I tickled my brain, and I know that you have orders relating to remand. Otherwise, your previous remand warrant expired yesterday. If you have no powers to remand, the accused will walk out of this place free. But anything that relates to management of the accused between now and when he is presented to the High Court is entirely within your powers. Management of the file and the accused are two different matters. So if it is true that you cannot make any orders, including an order to remand, then I agree with her that you do not remand. Armed people in this room, they have to use force to take him back to Rosella. Number two, Worship, when you were making orders that a report be made and submitted to you, this court, by Mulago, which was done, you knew that there is a process called the committal. And I do not want to be tempted to think that you demanded that a report be provided to this court for cosmetic reasons. You had reasons. And the reasons did not relate to bail, because we had not asked for bail after that one. Even today we have not asked you for bail. We have only asked you to review your remand orders. Because without your remand order, prisons cannot hold the suspect. Except that things are changing. So, we are not praying that you proceed with the accused's trial. I knew it before she joined the back. We are asking that while in custody, because he's not going to have any other appearance in any court between now and when he appears in the High Court. Is counsel for the state insinuating that during that period a citizen is deprived of the protection of the Constitution and the court? No. Your transitional and transmission powers remain until he appears in High Court. And these relate to his stay in custody. So I reiterate my earlier prayers. Indeed, it was your guidance that my application would be entertained after committal, unless she's overruling you. even finds it difficult for the state that dismantled the man's pillow to procure another pillow. So to the extent that she has not responded to my prayer, I pray that you find that the application is not contested and you grant the same.
I just want to be clear. Council member is requesting for the accused, an order for the accused to be transferred to India, right?
Yes.
And according to the accused, his an order for him to be treated at Maction Bay is useless, right? I just want to
In the current circumstances.
in the current circumstances.
Maybe I can add something because they are managing the pain as far as this neuropathic pain is concerned. They are managing, they are not treating the source of the problem, the disc prolapse. They are managing the pain with the pregabalin, gabapentin, all sorts of those medications, painkillers. That is the only thing they can do. But the recommendation was that I go back, they fix this, which they cannot fix in the maximum.
So the prayer is him to be taken to India. Yes?
And you watch the more I delay, I'm more divided. The more aggravated it is. The more I did it, the more aggravated it is. We fix the problem of the spinal cord. And I've never tested it. Because the disc replacement which was done, I took some time to go to India for the disc replacement. Here in Uganda, they don't do disc replacement. They do anterior cervical dissectomy with the fusion. They just put in nuts and bolts the fusion. But disc replacement, removing the herniated disc and replace it with an artificial one. That technology is not yet, it can only be done. And that's what was done here. So to go through an MRI to confirm this problem which has occurred on the disc that was replaced by a herniated one, an artificial, I need to go back to it. So this cannot be done at Maxwell. It's in the report.
Yes, it is in the report. I really need to make this known to the accused person and his defense team. DPP has sapped my powers in this particular file. DPP has taken over and committed the accused person to High Court.